My name is Bree and I'm a subsistence farmer, but for many years before this, I worked as a professional chemist, formulating everything from pharmaceuticals to beauty products. And now I use that skill set to formulate natural products for use in my own home. And now I'm sharing these recipes with you to empower you to make more in your own home. This is my most requested video of all time. This is how to make a liquid soap from scratch using beef tallow. This recipe starts by weighing out your ingredients in separate containers. So all of the fats get weighed out first in one container, the water and the glycerin gets weighed together in another, and the potassium hydroxide gets weighed in a third container by itself. All of the glassware I'm using here is borosilicate glass, which is chemical resistant. A couple safety notes: please wear gloves and eye protection when working with potassium hydroxide. It is very caustic. Also, when we are mixing the potassium hydroxide with the water, it is important to add the potassium hydroxide to water and not the water to the potassium hydroxide. This is an exothermic reaction, so that beaker is going to get hot. Next, we're going to add our potassium hydroxide solution to our fats in a slow cooker or an instant pot with a slow cooker setting and a stainless steel liner. We're going to use a stick blender to mix this until it reaches trace, which means it's going to instantly thicken up. You'll know this when it happens. Then I'm going to cover it with the slow cooker lid and stir it every couple hours. I'm going to keep this on the slow cooker function until it turns into more of a paste. This part is going to take several hours. We're going to know this is ready because when we take a little glob and add it to some hot distilled water and shake it up really well, the solution is going to be clear and not cloudy. This test does not work well if you're using tap water instead of distilled water. I'll show you another alternate test at the end. And let me know if you want to know how to distill water at home. For the portions that I want to store long term and not use right away, I'm just going to pack it into a glass mason jar and put it in my pantry. This will last for years this way. And if you'd like to see how I reconstitute and how much I dilute it, check out the video before this. Another way to test if this was done properly is to test the diluted solution's pH, and it should be around a 9. As always, let me know if you have any questions in the comments.